Hello everyone, it's John Roberts with ServiceNow. Just wanted to share a quick shortcut using OSX Automator to help me locate tasks in my instance. So in this case I have an email that came in asking me to look at this problem, but whoever sent it to me did not include a link. So I would generally have to copy this task number, open up a browser to my instance, paste this in global search, and get to that record. Relatively quick, but I'm looking for something even quicker. So let's go ahead and create an automator action. So in this case, we are going to select a service. We can see that by default, the service is going to receive selected text from any application. Next, we're going to process our text using AppleScript. So I already have a script ready here. And we'll see that we are going to get our input from our selected text. And we're just going to do some string comparisons to find out what the prefix is based on our number pattern from our instance. So here we're looking for problems, incidents, and changes. And all we're doing is translating that prefix to a table name. So if it begins with PRB, we know it's a problem. And here's the URL that we need to use to get to that task number. So the output of this function is going to be a URL for that task. So next we're going to pass the result of that into a display web pages action. And all we're doing is taking that URL, passing it to a display web pages action, which opens up in our default browser, as we can see in the description in the left pane. So let's go ahead and save this. We'll call it find task in my demo instance. So in this case, if we look at the URL, it's demo JLR. So this is going to be the name of our service. So now if we go back to our email, I should be able to select this and we'll access our services menu. And we see we have a find task in demo JLR. If I select that, browser opens right to that task. So that was useful, but now I want to make it even quicker. So it'd be nice to be able to assign a keyboard shortcut to that service so I don't have to drill into the service menu every time. So let's go ahead and open up our keyboard preferences. Select services. Scroll down to the text services. And we'll see our find task in demo JLR that we just created. And we want to assign a keyboard shortcut for that. So I'm going to click on the right side of this where the keyboard shortcuts are. Press my shortcut. I like to use Command, Alt, Control, some letter for most of my shortcuts, because they're generally not used. So in this case, I'm going to use D for demo JLR instance, make it easy. Just make sure that this is active. Sometimes clicking on that also deselects it, so we want to make sure that is still active. Now if we go back to our email, we'll select the text. Instead of right-clicking and drilling into services, I'm going to hit the keyboard shortcut. And again, we'll open up a new browser tab right to that problem. So I hope you find that useful, and thanks for watching.